Welcome everyone. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the 5 best bathtubs you can buy this year. We'll be discussing the features, design, and price of each tub so you can find the perfect one for your home. So whether you're looking for a luxurious spa-like experience or a simple and affordable option, we've got something for you. So let's get started. Number 5. WOODBRIDGE. The WOODBRIDGE B13 bathtub is the perfect choice for any bathroom. Its non-slip design and high-quality construction make it a safe and durable bathtub. Its exterior dimensions are 67, long x 31.5, wide x 22 and 4/5 deep, and it has an effective tub capacity of 60 gallons. It is made out of 100% high-gloss white lucite acrylic and reinforced with Ashland resin and fiberglass. It is designed with luxury, comfort, and chic style in mind, and its gently sloping lines follow the natural curves of your body, providing exceptional comfort. It is easy to clean and maintain and has a scratch and stain-resistant surface that will stay bright and clean. I highly recommend the WOODBRIDGE B13 bathtub for anyone. Number 4. Empava 53-inch. The Empava 53-inch left drain quick fill walk and whirlpool bathtub with left side door in white is a great option for anyone looking for a luxurious and safe bathing experience. This tub is equipped with 10 pieces hydrotherapeutic massage jets, 6 large water jets in back region, and 4 large water jets in body region. The walk-in bathtub also features an ultra-low step-in threshold of just less than 4 inches, a surrounding handrail, ergonomic control knobs, a textured and slip-resistant tub floor, a lumbar arch for support, and an extra-wide door that opens all the way into the bath. This tub is a great option for seniors or those with disabilities looking for a spa-like experience in the comfort of their own home. Number 3. KOHLER. The KOHLER 856 GGNYNLAT for 266 X36 drop-in bubble massage air bath with chromotherapy, dune airjet trim, and reversible drain is a luxurious addition to any bathroom. This bathtub is equipped with 40 airjets that release thousands of bubbles which provide a relaxing massage. The zones of control feature allows users to target massage to the back, midsection, or feet. Additionally, the chromotherapy lighting adds to the relaxation of the user as a full spectrum of color washes over them. This is great for 2 bathers as it has a spacious design. Lastly, it is an easy drop-in or undermount installation. All in all, this bathtub is a great choice for those looking to relax and unwind. Number 2. Empava 48-inch. The Empava 48-inch freestanding bathtub air micro bubble hydrotherapy oval Japanese S-Bay tub is a luxurious and contemporary addition to any bathroom. With the 95 pieces air pin hole jets producing thousands of warm air bubbles, you can relax and unwind in the comfort of your own home. Not only does this tub provide a low-pressure massage, but it also has a sleek and modern design that will complement any decor. The effective bathtub capacity of 55 gallons and integrated seat allows for extended soaks and ultimate relaxation. This tub also comes with pre-drilled and pre-installed accessories, such as the drain, faucet, knobs, and jets, making installation a breeze. The 3-year limited parts warranty provides peace of mind and assurance of quality. If you're looking for a luxurious and modern bathtub, the Empava 48-inch freestanding bathtub air micro bubble hydrotherapy oval Japanese S-Bay tub is the perfect choice. Number 1. Ella's Bubbles. The Ella's Bubbles to 2SA 3260R tub 4-2 acrylic walk-in whirlpool bathtub is the perfect choice for anyone wanting to relax with a hydro air and foot massage. With 9 fixed jets per seat, an intensity dial control, and inline water heater, you won't be disappointed. The independent foot massage includes 8 adjustable hydro jets with its own pump and controls, allowing you to enjoy a foot and calf massage while only filling up the tub to seat level. The air massage comes with 18 strategically placed jets and includes a 3-speed variable push control and auto purge to clean the system. Overall, this is a great tub that is sure to provide you with the ultimate relaxation experience.